What's the word? It's your girl Ashley, and we are back with yet another video. We are here. Okay, so listen. I've been on this TikTok, been watching these TikTok videos, and I've come across these videos, these little trends going on where you take some hair dye, a little mustache dye, a little gray coverage dye, put it on the little eyebrows, and they supposed to help you out. Well, guess what? Your girl got some non-existent eyebrows. So we try it out. Went to Dollar General, went to my good little DG. Got some of this. It was like $3-4. We about to, I mean, in my mind, what's that can happen? I already got eyebrows. You know, put my little shade up there, that's all right. I had my little bowl. I took equal parts, 0.2 ounces and 0.2 ounces, and mixed it up in the bowl. It's supposed to be black. And what I'm gonna do is outline with my concealer and my little mirror. I think I got a mirror on here. I got a mirror, yep. My little mirror, the outline of my eyebrows. Then I'll be back, and then we're gonna fill it in, and then we're gonna pray. Most of everybody left it on for like 15 minutes to see they had hair. Me, I'm kind of like coloring skin. I mean, you see a little peach fuzz up there, you know what I'm saying? What's the worst that can happen? I don't know, but we about to find out. So, you ready? You ready? I probably have to. I mean, hey, it's not perfect, but you know why I'm not perfect. We gonna see how this goes. Okay. Here we go. It's all one of them. I mean, there's no time now, really. What is the worst that can happen? Like normal, I'm gonna make my tip darker, my what they call it, the wing part darker, and I'm gonna make this part a little lighter. So I'm gonna have little. I don't know what I mean. Mind you, I couldn't find what I was looking for exactly. So I just got some $2 man color gel. Use the directions so you can know it is tingling. I don't know if I want this powered on or what. But this eyebrow was a hot damn mess. I think it's gonna run me. Get a paper towel and clean it up because I don't want it to be looking like who did it and why the fuck did you do it. If you was gonna do it, you should have did it right in the first damn place. Let me read the directions. Like I said, most people have it on for 15 minutes, but let me just oh, this is 5-minute color. Well, let me hurry the hell up. Leave it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes and I'll be back in 15 minutes. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not, I don't know. I mean, I look like I got a little bit more up there, you know what I'm saying? A little smidge. A little something. All right, so this is a carry-on from yesterday. I did it, and I liked it, but I felt like since I really have very fine eyebrow hairs, why not? Let's just do it again. And instead of leaving it for 8 minutes, I mean, it's not like I'm gonna over-color my hair because my hair is very, very thin. Like, you can see that it got a little darker up there. It's not gonna hurt nothing to leave it up there for this full 50 minutes. So, I poured a smaller amount than I did yesterday because I still have a whole bunch from last night. And then I looked online and it said do not use once it's been left out over 24 hours. And even though it wasn't 24 hours, I'm not going to even try because knowing my luck, it'll make my eyebrows, what I have up there, fall off. So I'm going to mix up equal parts. I just poured a little bit in. Like I said, I bought the box from Dollar General last night. They didn't have the mustache kit, so I got the little guys 5-minute cream of nature kit. Poured the color in the developer in a little plastic container. Probably should have used this because it got metal, but I used my concealer that I don't use to outline my eyebrows so I know where I'm going. I'm gonna try to heavily put this color at the end, like I said last night, and then just stroke it in the front. So when I do my eyebrows today and any other day, that it'll kind of look right. It's starting to change, so I'm gonna do it now so it'll change color on my face, not in the bowl like I did yesterday. gonna start at 15 minutes. I won't exceed 20 minutes. So 17 minutes and 30 seconds, we'll be back. Okay, so the 17 minutes is up and I was burning everything but. I done rinsed it off, scrubbed it a little bit, and this is what we got.